Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the control board assembly in your microwave oven, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws securing the top grille. Pull the grille down from the top to detach. Next, unthread the screw securing the control board cover to the frame. Lift the cover up to detach. Now note the orientation of the wires connected to the control board, then disconnect them. Unthread the screws securing the grounding wire to fully release the control board assembly. Install the new control board assembly by connecting the wires to the appropriate terminals. Secure the grounding wire with the screw. Now insert the cover tabs into the slots in the frame and thread the screw to secure. Before you reinstall the top grille, make sure the 2 support clips are in place. Now align the grille tabs with the slots in the frame and snap the grille into position. Rethread the 3 screws. Having a magnetized screwdriver will make it easier to rethread the screw on the right. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the microwave oven should be ready for use.